is the Taste of Tracey Road. It's our annual open house that we do.
We've been doing this for about a decade,
and it's a great opportunity for customers to come out and see what we have to offer here at Tracey Road.
I haven't been to this event before, so I've heard other companies talk about it, and I just want to see what it's all about.
So Kobelco's been manufacturing hydraulic excavators for a long time. We manufacture excavators and we manufacture crawler cranes. We look at Tracey as a partner of ours. They've been a dealer for a very long time. So just being able to come and represent our brand and the way they represent our brand, it's a very strong partnership and means a lot. The relationships that we've gained from events like this and just some of the new people that we get, that we can show them multiple models at one time and really get them a feel for what Kobelco is and what we have to offer.
Tracey Road, Jerry and Scott Collins, and they've been great with us, and we appreciate them putting on the event, and we look forward to coming here again in the future.